Turkey officially entered a new chapter in its defense history by beginning mass production of 250 new-generation Altay main battle tanks, MBTs, a landmark moment that cemented the country's growing independence in defense technology. This move follows years of research, testing, and international collaboration, making the Altay one of the most advanced and ambitious armored vehicle programs Turkey has ever undertaken. Developed under the leadership of BMC Defense, with contributions from various Turkish defense contractors such as ASELSAN, ROKETSAN, HAVELSAN, and MKE, the Altay project blends domestic innovation with international expertise. The mass production phase, announced for late 2025, signals that Turkey is ready not only to arm its own forces but also to become a serious competitor in the global armored vehicle market. The new Altay tank is not simply an upgrade. It is a complete redesign that integrates cutting-edge technologies in armor protection, firepower, and mobility. The production version, often referred to as the Altay T1, and the upcoming variant, the Altay T2, embodies several revolutionary advancements. The latest Altay units will be powered by a domestically developed 1,500 horsepower Baetu diesel engine, replacing the imported Korean unit previously used in prototypes. Developed by BMC Power, this 65-ton tank enables exceptional agility and speed across a wide range of terrain. Unrivaled firepower. The Altay is armed with a 120mm L55 smoothbore gun, capable of firing a wide range of ammunition, including high-explosive rounds and armor-piercing rounds developed by MKE. The tank also integrates an autoloader system for a faster rate of fire and reduced crew fatigue during intense combat situations, a symbol of technological sovereignty. For decades, Turkey has relied heavily on imported armor systems, primarily from Western countries. However, changing geopolitical conditions and post-regional conflict embargoes have prompted Ankara to rethink its defense strategy. The Altay tank, named after General Fahrettin Altay, a hero of the Turkish War of Independence, represents the culmination of that vision, a fully domestically produced, next-generation main battle tank. Turkey's ASELSAN has equipped the Altay with a next-generation modular armor system, which provides superior protection against kinetic and chemical threats. The tank also features an active protection system that detects and neutralizes incoming anti-tank missiles, a vital feature in modern and asymmetric warfare environments. The Altay's battlefield vigilance is enhanced through the HAVELSAN, integrated combat management and communications system, which enables real-time data sharing between units. This digital backbone ensures rapid coordination, situational awareness, and tactical superiority. With its ergonomic design and advanced environmental control system, the Altay offers enhanced comfort and durability for its four-person crew: commander, gunner, loader, and driver during extended missions. The decision to begin mass production of 250 units is not just a procurement milestone, but also a strategic declaration of self-reliance. The Turkish armed forces currently operate older generation Leopard 2A4 and M60T tanks, many of which will be modernized. The Altay will gradually replace these aging platforms, creating a unified and high-tech armored fleet. Defense analysts note that the Altay provides Turkey with multi-terrain flexibility, from the mountainous regions of eastern Anatolia to the arid plains of Syria and Iraq. Its design prioritizes mobility, adaptability, and resilience against modern anti-tank threats, making it ideal for both conventional and hybrid warfare scenarios. Furthermore, the program supports Turkey's broader vision, the Turkish Century, championed by President Recep Tayyip Erdogan, which emphasizes national self-reliance and the export of high-value defense products. Once fully integrated into service, the Altay is expected to form the backbone of Turkey's armored divisions for decades to come. As Turkey's production accelerates, several countries, including Qatar, Azerbaijan, and Malaysia, have reportedly expressed interest in purchasing the Altay tank. Its performance during field trials and demonstrations has attracted attention because it combines Western-class sophistication with a competitive price, giving it an advantage over more expensive competitors like the German Leopard 2A7 or the American M1A2 Abrams. Qatar, one of Turkey's closest defense partners, has ordered several Altays as part of a bilateral defense agreement. The Middle East, Africa, and Asia are seen as potential export markets for Turkey's new armored force, positioning Ankara as a serious alternative supplier in a sector historically dominated by NATO and Russian manufacturers. The path to mass production of the Altay has not been easy. Initially launched in the late 2000s, the program faced numerous delays due to engine embargoes and technology transfer disputes. Western restrictions forced Turkey to develop its own engine, a monumental challenge for any defense industry. A turning point came in 2023 when BMC successfully tested the BATU engine and transmission system. This breakthrough effectively ends Turkey's reliance on foreign propulsion technology. This milestone not only enables full-scale production, but also proves that Turkey can design and build complex military systems entirely on its own. The mass production of 250 Altay tanks will significantly boost Turkey's defense ecosystem. Hundreds of local companies are participating in the supply chain, contributing components ranging from armor plates to electronic systems. The project supports thousands of skilled jobs and fosters innovation across various sectors, including metallurgy, electronics, software, and automotive manufacturing. Furthermore, the Altay program strengthens Turkey's position as a defense exporter. Turkish arms exports surpassed $5 billion in 2025, and the inclusion of the Altay in future export packages is expected to push this figure even higher. The government aims for defense exports to reach $10 billion by 2030, and the Altay could be one of its flagship products. In the long term, Turkish defense planners envision even more advanced versions of the Altay, including unmanned or semi-autonomous variants integrated with AI-assisted targeting and drone coordination capabilities. Early development of the Altay T3 concept reportedly explores remote operations and robotic support systems, which aligns with Turkey's strategy to combine AI, robotics, and traditional weapons on the battlefield. Such innovation would place Turkey among global leaders in next-generation armored warfare, alongside countries such as the US, Russia, China, and South Korea. The Altay could become a technological bridge to an era of fully connected, AI-driven armored combat. The start of mass production of 250 new-generation Altay tanks is more than just a defense project. It is a national achievement, a symbol of resilience and a testament to Turkey's strategic vision. What began as a response to an embargo has evolved into a powerful statement of self-reliance and innovation. With the Altay, Turkey is not only strengthening its own military but also signaling its presence as a global defense powerhouse capable of designing, building, and exporting world-class armored vehicles. As the first new tanks roll off the production line, they bring more than just firepower. They embody Turkey's unwavering determination to shape its destiny through technology, ingenuity, and national pride.